Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Leadpages for marketers. Digital content creation is easy with the help of expert marketers. It can be made to turn ordinary clicks into buyers. Make every piece of content count. Creating custom landing pages and websites that are designed to help your visitors take action is a great way to show off your business. Convert optimized content, opt-in offers, and digital files are some of the tools that can help you grow your email list. You can boost your income by adding high-converting pages, making secure payments, and having built-in checkouts with the help of Stripe. With the help of real-time tracking and unlimited split tests, you can monitor and improve your performance. Your digital content should be sleek and smart to show off your business. Create and publish code-free content with conversion-optimized features. Leadpages is an easy-to-use website builder that lets you convert website traffic into sales. With the help of its built-in conversion guidance, you can predict the success of your landing pages before they are published. Pop-ups can be created that trigger various actions, such as timeouts, clicks, and exit intent. You can easily DIY digital marketing. We make it so that you don't have to resort to plugins or endure web designer drama. Websites, landing pages, alert bars, and pop-ups. Code-free, drag and drop builder. Mobile responsive templates. SEO-friendly pages. Powerful integrations. Opt-in form builder. Real-time conversion tips. Simplified analytics. A/B testing. Try Leadpages risk-free today. Discover why more than 40,000 small business owners choose Leadpages. Select a plan to get started with your free 14-day trial. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.